Today I'll be showing you a step-by-step guide how to do McKenzie extension exercises for low back pain relief. Now this exercise is incredibly helpful for those who are experiencing disc-related pain for their lower back, so make sure you consult your doctor before doing this exercise. Step 1 is to get down on a firm surface like a yoga mat or floor and lay face down. Place your palms near your shoulders with your elbows bent and close to your body. Now make sure your lower body, especially your legs and your hips, are fully relaxed. When you're ready, slowly push your hands and elbows towards the floor, lifting your chest off the floor and relaxing your lower back. You should feel a stretch in your lower back, but it should not be painful. Breathe deeply and try to relax in this position. To complete the movement, slowly lower your upper body back down to the starting position. Repeat this movement for a series of 10 to 15 repetitions, gradually increasing the range of motion and duration as your pain allows. This exercise is essential for back pain because it centralizes the pain and improves lumbar spine mobility and promotes spinal alignment.